Imagine stepping into a sprawling, ultra-modern facility where a brand new, fully functional humanoid robot comes to life every 15 minutes. Deep in Shenzhen's Honghualing area, EngineAI has built a full-stack facility where everything, from research and development to manufacturing, rigorous quality control, and even final delivery, happens under one roof. EngineAI has just flipped the switch on their massive 10,000-unit humanoid production line, and the highly anticipated T800 robots are officially rolling off the factory floor. As we move inside to the assembly floor, you can see human workers meticulously assembling high-tech joints and robotic limbs alongside automated machines. In one of the most fascinating scenes, a T800 torso is suspended in mid-air while its legs perform complex movements. During this phase, the system runs 79 full-dimensional quality checks and simulates 46 different grueling working conditions before the robot ever leaves the facility. From there, we see several T800 robots stepping out of their holding frames and effortlessly striding across the floor. Almost immediately, they drop into a synchronized martial arts routine, throwing combination punches and performing squats. This is not just for show, as it is a live demonstration of their explosive power and dynamic stability. EngineAI is launching a full-blown price war against its competitors, with the T800 starting at an incredibly aggressive $25,000 for the basic edition. If you want the fully decked-out, industrial-grade Max Edition with the upgraded Thor compute platform, it will run you around $50,000.